Shall we start our first worksheet today? Keep your science book with you. Worksheet 1, Unit 1, Measurement. Choose the best answer. Question number 1. Which one of the following statement is correct about the astronomical unit? A. It is the mean distance between the center of the sun to the center of the earth. Option B. It is the mean distance between center of the earth to the center of the moon. C. It is the mean distance between center to the earth to the center of the Mars. D. It is the mean distance between the center of the earth to the center of the Jupiter. For this question, let us go to the book, page number 3, side heading astronomical unit. There we can see it is the mean distance of the center of the sun from the center of the earth. So the correct answer is option A. Question number 2. A physical balance can be used to measure dash. A. Only mass. B. Only weight. C. Both mass and weight. D. Only volume. For this, turn page number 8. Last side heading, physical balance, last line, you can see, can measure mass of an object correct to a milligram. So, the correct answer is option A, only mass. Next question, true or false? Mass and weight remains the same everywhere. For this, let's go to page number 10. There we can find the answer. Difference between mass and weight. See, the fourth point remains the same everywhere. Then for weight, varies from place to place. So, here the statement is false. Okay. Match the following. For this, refer page 8 and 9. Beam balance 5 gram. Physical balance 1 milligram. Digital balance 10 milligram. And for weighing bridge, kilogram. Now, very short answer. Name the instrument that works by the Hooke's law to measure weight of an object. Page number 9, spring balance. Then the sixth question. If the 12th division of the head scale coincides with the pitch scale axis, then the zero error will be positive zero error. For this, you refer page 8. Picture is given. Then the next heading, assertion and reason type of question. Assertion, screw gauge is used to measure the diameters of a thin wire and thickness of thin metallic plates. Reason, with the screw gauge, the dimensions up to 1/100th of a millimeter or 0.01 millimeter can be measured. Options A. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct reason. B. Both A and R are true and R is the correct reason. C. A is true but R is false. D. A is false but R is true. Here the option B is the correct answer. Both A and R are true and R is the correct reason. For this, you refer page number 7. There you can find the answer. Then for answer in detail, see the question. Compare and calculate mass and weight of Ram on the earth and the moon if the body mass of Ram is 60 kg. For this problem, mass remains the same everywhere. So his mass is still 60 kg on the moon, but his weight only will vary. Gravity of the earth is 9.8 meter per second square. In earth, his weight is 60 into 9.8 is equal to 588 Newton. Gravity of the moon is 1.63 meter per second square. So weight on the moon is 60 into 1.63 is equal to 97.8 Newton. For this, you refer page number 9, last para and problem number 3. Thank you.